Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can fix your Instagram Messenger update. So let's dive in. Now this is a common problem, especially if you're using an operating system that has been outdated. If you're using one of those old versions of maybe Android or iPhone, then you can find that it can be a problem for you to get the Instagram update. So I am going to show you how you can fix that. So let's dive in. First thing you can do is you can go ahead and offload the Instagram. So you want to click on settings and you want to scroll down to general, then click on iPhone storage. Click on iPhone storage and you want to scroll down to Instagram. Go ahead and scroll down to Instagram, and what we are going to do is we are going to offload the app. So go ahead and offload the app, and after you do that and you reopen your Instagram, it should work. Again, if it does not work, you can go ahead and reinstall Instagram. Just go ahead and delete it and reinstall Instagram, and it should work. Again, if this does not work, then the third thing that you can do is you can go ahead and report the problem to Instagram. So you just go ahead to your Instagram, you want to click on your profile and click on the three dashes, then click on settings, then click on help, then you want to go ahead to report a problem, and you can go ahead and report the problem and Instagram will fix it. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.